Several HVAC forums cater to different needs and expertise levels. These platforms provide spaces for professionals, homeowners, and enthusiasts to discuss various aspects of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Firstly, let's explore general HVAC forums. HVAC-Talk, accessible at HVAC-Talk.com, is a widely recognized platform. DIY chatroom HVAC forum found at ditchatroom.com/forum/HVAC heating, ventilation, AC, refrigeration 5/ provides a space for do-it-yourselfers. Home improvement Stack Exchange, specifically the HVAC section at DIY Stack Exchange.com/questions/tout/HVAC is another resource. Plumbing and HVAC Talk, accessible at plumbinghvac.com/threads/ offers a forum for related discussions. HVAC forum found at HVACforum.com is yet another general platform. Secondly, several forums are dedicated to specific HVAC topics. Central Heating Forum, located at centralheating.net/forum/focuses on heating systems. Air Conditioning Forum, accessible at airconditioningforum.com/ is dedicated to air conditioning topics. Refrigeration Forum at refrigerationengineer.com/forum/ provides a space for refrigeration professionals and enthusiasts. Heating and Cooling Pros, found at heatingandcoolingpros.com/ is another specialized forum. Geo Heat Center at geothermal.org/forum/ concentrates on geothermal heating and cooling technologies. Thirdly, some forums aim to emulate the format and quality of Mike Holt-like electrical forum. HVACforums.com, accessible at HVACforums.com, is one such example. Tom Henry's HVAC forum, located at thattrack.com/forum/ is another. Finally, the HVAC forum at HVAC Refrigerants, found at HVACrefrigerants.com/forums/forum/HVAC Systems/5/ offers a more specialized platform. These forums encompass a blend of perspectives covering troubleshooting, repairs, design, and installation. When choosing an HVAC forum, consider factors such as the level of expertise of the members, the scope of topics covered, and the overall community atmosphere. Some forums are geared towards professionals, while others cater to homeowners or a mix of both. Before posting questions, take some time to browse the existing threads and search for relevant information. Many common issues have already been discussed, and you may find the answer you're looking for without having to start a new thread. When posting a question, be as specific as possible and provide all relevant details, such as the make and model of your equipment, the symptoms you're experiencing, and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This will help the forum members provide more accurate and helpful advice. Remember to be respectful and courteous when interacting with other forum members. Everyone is there to learn and share their knowledge, and a positive and collaborative environment will benefit everyone. If you receive helpful advice, be sure to thank the person who provided it. A little appreciation can go a long way. In addition to participating in forums, consider attending local HVAC events and training courses. These are great opportunities to network with other professionals, learn about new technologies, and stay up to date on industry best practices. Many manufacturers and distributors also offer training programs for their product. Taking advantage of these programs can help you improve your skills and knowledge. Always follow safety precautions when working with HVAC equipment. Electricity, refrigerants, and other hazards can be dangerous if not handled properly. If you are not comfortable working on your own equipment, it's always best to call a qualified HVAC technician. Consider specializing in a particular area of HVAC, such as residential heating, commercial cooling, or refrigeration. This can help you develop expertise and become a valuable resource for others. Stay up to date on changes to building codes and regulations. These codes and regulations are constantly evolving, and it's important to stay informed to ensure that your work is compliant. Join a professional HVAC organization. These organizations provide resources, networking opportunities, and advocacy for the HVAC industry. Some popular organizations include the Air Conditioning Contractors of America (ACA) and the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers (ASHRAE). Continuing your education is essential for staying ahead in the HVAC industry. There are many opportunities to learn new skills and technologies, such as online courses, workshops, and conferences. As HVAC technology continues to evolve, it is important to stay abreast of the latest innovations. This includes advancements in energy efficiency, smart home integration, and alternative refrigerants. Familiarize yourself with different types of HVAC systems, including furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, and ventilation systems. Understanding the principles of operation and maintenance requirements for each type of system is crucial. Learn about different types of refrigerants and their properties. Some refrigerants are being phased out due to environmental concerns, so it is important to understand the alternatives. Become proficient in using HVAC diagnostic tools such as multimeters, pressure gauges, and refrigerant leak detectors. These tools are essential for troubleshooting and repairing HVAC systems. Develop strong customer service skills. As an HVAC professional, you will be interacting with customers on a regular basis, so it is important to be able to communicate effectively and provide excellent service. Consider obtaining certifications such as the EPA Section 608 certification for refrigerant handling. Certifications can demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers and customers. Understand the importance of proper ventilation in buildings. Ventilation is essential for maintaining indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of pollutants. Learn about different types of ventilation systems, such as exhaust fans, supply fans, and energy recovery ventilators. Familiarize yourself with the principles of building science. Building science is the study of how buildings interact with their environment, and it can help you understand how to design and maintain energy-efficient and comfortable buildings. Understand the importance of proper insulation in buildings. Insulation helps to reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, which can save energy and improve comfort. Learn about different types of insulation such as fiberglass, cellulose, and spray foam. Consider becoming a certified energy auditor. Energy auditors assess the energy efficiency of buildings and recommend improvements that can save energy and money. Stay informed about government incentives and rebates for energy-efficient HVAC equipment. These incentives can help customers save money in the cost of new equipment. Develop a strong understanding of electrical circuits and wiring. HVAC systems require electrical power to operate, so it is important to understand how electrical circuits work. Learn how to read electrical diagrams and troubleshoot electrical problems. Understand the importance of proper grounding of electrical equipment. Grounding helps to protect people from electrical shock. Learn about different types of grounding systems and how to test them. Familiarize yourself with the National Electrical Code (NEC). The NEC provides standards for the safe installation of electrical equipment. Understand the principles of thermodynamics and heat transfer. These principles are fundamental to understanding how HVAC systems work. Learn about different types of heat transfer, such as conduction, convection, and radiation. Develop strong problem-solving skills. Troubleshooting HVAC problems often requires a logical and systematic approach. Learn how to identify the root cause of problems and develop effective solutions. Consider specializing in a particular type of HVAC equipment, such as chillers or boilers. This can help you develop expertise and become a valuable resource for others. Stay up to date on the latest trends in HVAC technology. This includes advancements in smart thermostats, variable speed compressors, and other technologies. Join online HVAC communities and forums to connect with other professionals and share your knowledge. These communities can be a valuable resource for learning and networking. Attend industry trade shows and conferences to see the latest HVAC equipment and technologies. These events can also provide opportunities to network with other professionals. Read industry publications to stay informed about the latest news and trends in the HVAC industry. These publications can provide valuable insights and information. Obtain a contractor's license if you plan to start your own HVAC business. A contractor's license demonstrates that you have the knowledge and skills necessary to perform HVAC work safely and competently. Invest in quality tools and equipment. Quality tools and equipment can help you perform your work more efficiently and accurately. Keep your tools and equipment clean and well maintained. Proper maintenance can extend the life of your tools and equipment and prevent breakdowns. Follow safety precautions when working with HVAC equipment. Electricity, refrigerant, and other hazards can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), such as gloves, eye protection, and hearing protection. Properly dispose of refrigerant. Refrigerant is a regulated substance and it must be disposed of properly to protect the environment. Recycle HVAC equipment and materials whenever possible. Recycling can help to conserve resources and reduce pollution. Participate in continuing education courses and training programs to stay up to date on the latest HVAC technologies and best practices. Seek mentorship from experienced HVAC professionals to learn from their expertise and guidance. Network with other HVAC professionals to build relationships and share knowledge. Stay updated on changes to building codes and regulations to ensure compliance with industry standards. Obtain necessary certifications and licenses to demonstrate competence and professionalism in the HVAC field. Develop strong communication skills to effectively interact with clients and colleagues. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with clients. Manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and complete projects efficiently. Maintain accurate records of all work performed, including service reports and invoices. Adhere to ethical business practices and maintain a professional reputation in the HVAC industry. Continuously seek opportunities for professional growth and advancement in the HVAC field. Adapt to emerging technologies and trends in the HVAC industry to remain competitive and innovative. Prioritize safety in all aspects of HVAC work to protect yourself and others. Contribute to the advancement of the HVAC industry through research, innovation, and collaboration. Support sustainable practices and energy-efficient solutions in HVAC design and installation. Uphold the highest standards of quality and integrity in all HVAC work. Serve as a mentor and role model for aspiring HVAC professionals. Advocate for the importance of HVAC in maintaining healthy and comfortable indoor environments. Promote the value of HVAC in energy conservation and environmental sustainability. Collaborate with other professionals in related fields such as architecture, engineering, and construction to achieve optimal building performance. Stay informed about government policies and regulations affecting the HVAC industry. Participate in industry associations and organizations to advocate for the interests of HVAC professionals. Embrace lifelong learning and continuous improvement in the HVAC field. Share your knowledge and expertise with others to advance the HVAC profession. Celebrate the achievements and contributions of HVAC professionals to society.